23rd September. 23rd September 1908. Hindi poet Ramdhari Singh Dinkar is born. India is a land of numerous languages and a vibrant literary culture. Each of the languages of India has renowned writers and poets who have enriched the cultural fabric of India with their creative expressions. One such great poet of India is Ramdhari Singh Dinkar, who was born on September 23, 1908. Ramdhari Singh is considered one of the most significant Indian poets who wrote in the Hindi language. Dinkar's first noteworthy collection of poems, Renuka, was published in November 1935. A copy of this book was presented to Mahatma Gandhi by a Hindi editor, Banerjee Das Chaturvedi. Dinkar was inspired by Mahatma Gandhi and considered himself a Gandhian. Dinkar also published some of his works under the name Amitabh in order to avoid trouble from the British authorities. His narrative poem Kurukshetra is a retelling of the Shanti Parva of the Mahabharata. Krishna Ki Chetavani reflects on the events prior to the great battle of Kurukshetra. His anthologies include Lokpriya Kavi Dinkar, Dinkar Ki Suptiyan, and Sanchayida. His prose writings include Miti Ki Or, Chitaur Ka Sakha, and Heram. He also wrote biographies on Sir Aurobindo and Pandit Nehru. Ramdhari Singh Dinkar passed away on April 24, 1974, a honored poet and a man of letters. In 2008, at the centenary of his birth, the Prime Minister Manmohan Singh unveiled Dinkar's portrait in the Central Hall of Parliament. An award, the Rashtrakavi Ramdhari Singh Dinkar Sahitya Ratna Samman, has also been instituted in his name in recognition of his role in exploring new aspects of Hindi literature, his role in the freedom struggle, and his contribution to the cultural life of India. September 23rd, 1803. The British East India Company defeated the Maratha army at the Battle of Assaye. September 23, 1863. Rao Tula Ram, one of the leaders of the revolt of 1857, passed away in Kabul.